Hey guys, I have a few announcements. We hit 50 subs yesterday, so I am doing a 30 Robux giveaway. I know it's not much, but I wanted to give. All you need is notifications on and have to be subbed. And comment your URL, use a random comment picked. Anyways, this video was requested by Want this? The Ocean Glow. Lego. Open your video in a light motion. Mute any sounds if you wanna. Duplicate height. Go to Gaussian blur. Any strength is okay. Add colorize. Any color, I just wanted Ocean Glow. Add exposure or gamma. Make it how you want. Add saturation. Again, however you want. This is optional. Add RGB. Optional, adjust the blur. Bring the other layer down. Go to blending and opacity. Choose any. You're done.